Good morning, babies. We was so productive in this morning. I did the laundry and we cleaned it here and we did pancakes. It was very good. And now we need to go with the doggies for a walk. Thank you. How is your bath time? Hmm? Oh, Jessie, komm hier. Oh. We shipped the pipes. Now we shift the pipes. And I saw this snake. This is the common brown snake, and this is extremely venomous. I can't say that. Yeah.
Sich, soll ich halten?
Mhm. Micke! Oh, ich wurde gestochen. Immer wenn ich die Kamera hole, haut sie ab. Weißt du?
Ich das nicht. Hey! Nicht auf meiner Matte! Nicht auf meiner
Yoga!
Mach den Hund!
Komm mit den Nägeln.
We did our workout and stretching, and now I want to have a ride to the ocean with the push bike, not my bike. In Australia, you need to wear this here. I hate it, but without you can get the ticket. It's fine. I want to drive to the beach. Oh man! I want to make a video from the fish what I found, and now the wave comes and the fish is gone back. Shit. This bird attacked me. Feeding time. Look at that, baby. They are venomous, when I speak it right. And the mosquitoes are coming. This is not good. Yeah, it was you and this is not frog, this is the other kind, but I don't know which one. The mosquitoes are here. Wish you good night. Bye bye, babies.